Hello students, today we will do the second part of chapter number 10. That is the matter. In our previous video, I have told you what is matter, right? What is matter? Atom, element, molecule, compound, types of matter that are the solid, liquid, gases, right? We have done this much part of this chapter. Now we are left with the types of changes. Have you seen the changes around you? You must have watched the changes in your height. When I tear this page, that is also a change. When you sharpen your pencil and the height of the pencil decreases, that is also a change. When your mother roll a chapati, that is also a change. When a fruit get rotten, that is also a change. So such type of changes you are continuously observing around yourself in your daily life. There are two types of changes which we are going to discuss in today's video. So what I have told you? Types of changes. There are two types of changes. The first one is the physical change. And the second one is the chemical change. Chemical change. These are two types of changes. Whatever changes you are observing around yourself in your daily life, they must be come under these two categories only. Either they will be physical change or it will be a chemical change. So let us start knowing about it, what actually a physical change means. Physical change is a temporary change, means this change is for a very small time and it can be converted again in its initial state. It is a type of temporary change. Temporary change means in this matter will go under a change from one state to another state. From one state to another state. And it can be again converted into another state, into the first state. Means if a matter is there, let us take an example of an ice cubes. After melting, it can be converted into liquid form or not. ये मेल्ट होकर लिक्विड फॉर्म में चेंज हो सकती हैं, राइट? एंड अगेन अगर हम इस लिक्विड को फ्रीज कर दें तो ये फिर से क्या बन सकती हैं? आइस. और आइस से हम फिर से इसको लिक्विड में चेंज कर सकते हैं, एंड लिक्विड को फिर से हम किस में चेंज कर सकते हैं, आइस के अंदर चेंज कर सकते हैं. सो such type of change is known as the temporary change, and temporary change is known as the physical change. One more word we can give this type of change, that is a reversible change. Reversible change. If someone asks to you कि physical change, temporary change, reversible change, they all are different. No, they all are same, but they have a different name only, but the meaning is same. Reversible change means a first stage can be converted into the second stage, and again the second stage can convert it into the first stage. So this type of change is known as the reversible change. Clear? Okay, let us take one more live example of it. This is a piece of paper, right? If I have folded, it means the shape get changed. इसकी shape change हो गई है. Now it is in the triangle form. This is the type of physical change. How? This is a temporary change, and this is also a reversible change. Because I can again unfold it. ये फिर से initial stage पर आ गया है. Again जैसे ये पहले था वैसे ही हो गया है. So such type of changes is known as the physical change, temporary change, or the reversible change. Clear? इसके more examples क्या हो सकते हैं? Its example can be evaporation process, freezing, melting of a liquid, clear? So such type of changes are known as the physical changes. Clear, beta? Now let us start with the chemical change. Chemical change is an opposite change to the physical change. Means if it is a temporary change, then it is a permanent change. What? Permanent change. Okay. If I'm saying here it's a reversible change, then it is a irreversible change. Irreversible change. Clear? Means let us understood with the example. Okay, I have taken a milk. This is a milk. Now over a night this milk converted into curd. Milk से क्या बनती है? दही बनती है, कर्ड बनती है. Okay, so it's now converted into curd. Change आ गया. I'm saying this is a chemical change. If it is a chemical change, it should be a permanent and irreversible. Means ये now permanent कैसे है? अगर milk curd में change हो गया है, so is it possible कि curd can again changes into milk? क्या curd दोबारा से milk में change हो सकता है? No. So this is a permanent change. Irreversible means first state can be converted into the another state, but now this second state can't be converted into the first state. This is known as irreversible change. So यहाँ पर बहुत ही अच्छा हमें एग्जाम्पल पता लग गया है. That is the Example is curdling of milk. Curdling of milk as an example of chemical change. It is a permanent change and it is a irreversible change. Clear? Now let us take one more example from your book itself. Just look at this. This is your book. Here are the fresh fruits. Now after some days they are getting rotten. ये खराब हो गए हैं, right? Just look at this banana and this apple. They are rotten state. Means they are spoiled. Now can you tell me that these rotten fruits again converted into the fresh fruits or not? Absolutely not, right? Because it is a chemical change. It is a permanent change and it is a irreversible change. I hope now you understood the meaning of physical change and chemical change. Now you can easily give the difference between physical change and chemical change. So this is your homework. Just write down the difference between physical change and chemical change. Okay? Now, our next topic will be solution. Okay? So let us start. Solution. Now, let us start solution. Before knowing the meaning of this word, I want to give you or I want to make you understand with the help of an example. I have taken a glass of water. Okay, now I'm starting pouring a teaspoon of sugar. Okay, I have added sugar and I've started dissolving it. So after dissolving, when the sugar completely is dissolved in the water, that is known as the solution. इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Solution. Now this is a solution of water and sugar. Solution of water and sugar. Okay? Now, I'll make you understand the two more words in this solution. Solution. Solution is made up of solute and solvent. When they both mixed, solution is formed. So this is a scientific language. Let us correlate this words with the example which I have taken now. In the previous example, we have taken water and I have added sugar, right? And I have told you that it is a solution. It is a solution. I have told you this. Now I am saying the solution is a mixture of solute and solvent. When they both get dissolved, solution is formed. Now I'm telling you, they both are same. Here the solute is this sugar and the solvent is this water. The substance which is dissolved into the solvent, that is known as the solute. And the solvent is in which solute is dissolved. Clear or not? Means when solute and solvent both dissolve, solution is formed. Here I have taken an example of water and sugar. I have dissolved both of them and solution is formed. Yes or not? So solute is here sugar and solvent is water. If I'm taking water and I've started dissolving salt in it and I got a solution of water and salt. Here again solvent is water and solute is salt. This is one more example I have discussed over here. I hope it is clear to you. In the topic solution, two more words are there, that is the saturated solution and unsaturated solution. So let us discuss these two words. Saturated solution is that, again I am giving you an example so that you can understand it more clearly. I have taken a beaker and I have put water in it. Now I have started adding the sugar. 1 teaspoon sugar I have added to it, get dissolved. Second I have taken, again it get dissolved. Third I have taken, no, it is not dissolved, it settled down here. It started settling down here. Again I'm keep trying the third spoon. I want that this should also be dissolved in the water, but it is not possible. It is again settling down at the bottom. When? So what does it mean? When solute, this solute stop dissolving inside the liquid, that solution is known as saturated solution. Means we cannot add more solute in it. At this stage, that solution is known as saturated solution. I hope it is clear to you. Many times this happened to you, right? That when you keep on adding the teaspoons of sugar and it started dissolving firstly, but after some time it's starting settling down at the bottom of the glass. You have tried your best, but still it's not getting dissolved in it. That shows that the solution is now at saturated stage. Such type of solution is known as saturated solution. Now let us discuss the unsaturated solution. It's the opposite of it. Unsaturated solution means now you can keep on add more teaspoons of sugar, it getting dissolving in it. Means it is a stage when no sugar nor no solute is starting settling down at the bottom of the glass. You keep on dissolving and it started dissolving and dissolving. Complete solute is keep on dissolving inside the solvent, that solution is known as unsaturated solution. I hope this chapter is now understood to you. It's a very important chapter. It's a very interesting chapter too. So your homework is, try to make the solution, firstly the saturated solution and secondly the unsaturated solution at your home. And you will, when you will be doing this activity, you will be realizing and understanding these two topics more clearly. Clear, beta? And now this chapter is completed. Fine. This chapter is completely done by us. Now in our next day, just I'll be providing you answers of it. Yes, of course I'll be providing, but you should also try it at your home. Okay, now you are in 5th class, so keep on trying the answers as this chapter is clear to you. So I hope you can easily do these questions. Just try it by yourself. I know you can do it. At least you can do this true false, this MCQs, match the columns, and also try these two parts. I'll be providing answers to you so that you can cross check them whether you are right or wrong. So keep watching this video and don't forget to do the activity which I have given you to do at home. So thank you so much.